Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with the essentials. Identify the spool style and how the thread exits. Once done, secure the spool so it won't roll. This prevents twists as you pull. Feed the thread end with your fingers while watching the winding. If it's caught, use tweezers to tease the last wrap free. Make sure to guide the thread along its natural path so you don't create new tangles, and keep light tension. Too much force will snap fine threads. Next, focus on the middle section where most jams live. You rotate the spool slowly and hold the thread tip to reduce internal tension. This reveals the snag point. Then, with a pin or needle, gently lift and separate wrap loops. Work from the outer wraps inward to avoid tightening. Once a length is freed, wind it immediately onto a bobbin or card so it can't retangle. This staged approach prevents new knots and keeps to finish, trim the frayed end cleanly and rethread, or tape it to a temporary leader for machine use. Pull 6 to 12 inches to confirm a smooth feed. If it snags, rewind the spool more evenly and repeat tension release steps. Make sure the spool sits true on its post and that thread passes any tension discs correctly. Misalignment causes repeat jams. If problems persist, inspect the spool hole and replace the spool or transfer thread to a new.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.